Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to delete your Phantom Wallet account. So for this purpose, first you need to open your Phantom Wallet. Once you open your Phantom Wallet, then here at the top left corner, you have this option, click on it. Then on left side, this type of page will appear. Here at the bottom left, you have this settings button, click on it. Then settings page will appear on your screen. Here at the bottom, you have this lock wallet option. Once you click on it, your wallet is locked. Remember that there is no proper way of deleting your Phantom Wallet account. You can only lock your wallet or you can remove a Phantom Wallet extension from your Chrome. There are only these two ways of deleting your Phantom Wallet account. And the other way is that go to your Google main page. Then here at the top right corner, you have these three dots. Click on it. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have the option of extensions. Once you click on it, then this type of page will pop up. Here click on manage extension button. Then extensions page will appear on your screen. Here you have all your that extensions which you have added to your Chrome. So here you can see Phantom extension. Here you have two options, details and remove. Once you tap on remove, then this will pop up. Here click on remove button. So there are only these two ways of deleting your Phantom Wallet account. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. And if you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.